Would you like to know a killer eBay hack that I have learned from eBay themselves? And over my years of reselling online, I can tell you this works and it works great. Make sure you stay till the end while I have a special report and offer for you as well if you're interested. Okay, so let's begin. Do you want to learn how to sell your items faster on eBay? You may have posted many things and you're wondering, why are my things not selling? What is going on? Well, I was talking to one of my students for my online course this week, and she gave me a great idea for this video. I wanted to share, it's been common knowledge to me. I've been an online reseller for almost 17 years. I'm an eBay power seller. I sell items for consignment. I sell things for other people on eBay. I have a course. I have several things where I teach others how to resell online. But this was something that I felt was common knowledge, but then I quickly learned, this really isn't common knowledge. So I wanted to take a moment to make this video for you. I think you're really going to enjoy using this, and your business is going to see an increase in your sales as a result of it. Okay, so this is my eBay hack for you. And I got this straight from eBay. I love watching YouTube videos. I am constantly looking at ways, trying to learn ways to continue to improve my business. Even though I've been selling for almost 2 decades, I always have new things I can learn, and we can learn best from others. So this is something that can help fast track your journey for your online reselling business. So did you know that when you have a listing that you've listed on eBay and it's been sitting there kind of stagnant, it's been on there for a couple of weeks, do you know that actually hurts your rankings on eBay? What I mean by that is your search engine optimization or your search rankings. So when we put an item on eBay, eBay is a search engine essentially. It's connecting the dots between your item that you have listed for sale and potential buyers that are looking on the internet for things to buy. And the most important thing is for you to be able to connect, or for eBay to help connect the dots for you so that you can sell items faster. That's why you're doing all this work. And I want you to be able to start seeing an increase in sales as a result. So when you have an item listed on eBay and it's been there stagnant for a couple of weeks and you're not getting any best offers on it, and it's just not getting activity, you're going to start to see a decline in your item showing up in the search results. You do have to pay monthly whenever you have an item on eBay. Even if you have a store, it's part of your allotted amount for your listings. So we want to make sure that those items, although it does take time to sell some items, there are some ninja tricks, so to say, that you can do that can help increase your sales. So you're probably wondering, okay, Michelle, well, what is it? I'll tell you. When you have an item that's been sitting there, the best thing to do is to end the item and then to sell similar to relist it. Don't just relist it. It doesn't have the same effect in the computer. So when you end an item, you're basically, of course, telling the computer that, it's no longer on the marketplace. So this listing that you've had on your, either just through your eBay user ID, or if you have an eBay store sitting there, it was telling eBay that, this item's really not moving. So why don't we drive traffic to other people's listings with similar items that may be selling items faster? Because eBay makes their money when you sell an item. Yes, they make their money on different things like promoted listings, like having those enhanced photos or the larger photos by putting subtitles. And these are some things that I use very carefully. I typically don't use the subtitle version. That's for another video. But eBay makes the bulk of their money when you sell an item. So of course they want to help you sell your item, but they have thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions, I'll have to check the stats, of people that have their items listed on eBay that are also trying to sell their item. So eBay has an algorithm, which you may be familiar with that word, but for everybody just to share, algorithm is basically the way that eBay's search engine, their computers have learned where to prioritize things in the search results. When they see that your listings are sitting there stale and stagnant, it's going to then kind of push it aside. It'll still be up there, but it's going to push it aside, and it's going to give new listings and optimize a better chance in the rankings. Have you ever noticed this? Whenever you go, you haven't listed some items in a couple of days, and you're like, all right, let me sit down. I got to get this done. I know I've got a pile of stuff from some community garage sales. I need to do that myself. But if you haven't been inside of your My eBay and you haven't been playing around with your listings every day, even if you're just clicking on them, maybe sending best offers or uploading new listings, eBay kind of like it dings you, so to say. Or I should say it this way, eBay rewards you when you're active on your platform, when you're active on eBay. So when you go to list a new item, I have seen, I know in my business, I'm sure you may have noticed this as well, is that when you put something up on eBay, you put a couple listings up that day, typically the next day, at least, you'll probably sell something or get a best offer. Well, there's a reason behind that. It's because when you put a new listing up, eBay rewards you and puts you at the top of the rankings in the search engine, in the algorithm. The computer is going to give you priority and bump you to the top for a certain period of time. I think it's about 24 to 48 hours. Don't quote me on that, but you will see an increase in traffic flow, not only for the new item that you just listed, but also for your other items that you're selling as well as a cross reference. So I encourage you that if you have an item that's been sitting on your eBay store, or even if you don't have a store, just as one of your items that you're trying to sell, and it's been several weeks, I would encourage you to go through, end the item, and then sell similar. And that's going to refresh your rankings with eBay, and it's going to be able to help put your listings above all the other thousands, hundreds of thousands of people that have their listings on eBay as well. They can only show so much to so many people, so they have to prioritize. You've probably seen this like on Facebook. This is another example of an algorithm in your search engine results. Now, Facebook has throttled back your reach to where literally, unless you're paying to boost your post or you're running ads, that your post on social media is only going to reach about 8 people unless someone responds. If someone likes the post or they comment on the post, then it helps to boost it in the rankings, and then eBay or Facebook will organically share your listing with more people. They're doing that because it's become such a popular platform, and they have only so much space to show you. They don't want to overwhelm the consumer or the person that's on there just scrolling through Facebook. They want it to be a good user experience. Well, eBay's the same way. And I've seen them come a long way since I first started back in 2005, I believe, in this type of thing where you are throttled back a little bit if you have stagnant listings. Another thing I would like to talk about is promoted listings. Promoted listings are also going to help raise you in the ranking results, but I have found that probably 90 to 95% of my items, I don't use promoted listings. I definitely don't use it if the profit margins are kind of tight on the item. I only use it for bigger items that haven't sold within like the first week and I have a lot of profit. It's usually some of my consignment clients' items where there's a lot of profit in there, so it can absorb the cost of the promoted listings. So I still make a good bang for my buck, so to say. So it's worth my time taking the pictures, creating the listing, putting it on eBay, handling the customer service, and when it sells, handling the shipping and such. So promoted listings, I wouldn't recommend very often, but it is another way. I would do the end item and similar, but if you want another way to continue to raise your rankings, your listings and the rankings of eBay's algorithm, promoted listings will do the exact same thing, but it costs money. So try this first hack, the end item and sell similar. And there's one more tip. I wouldn't do, like, so let's say you have 100 items on eBay listed. Don't do all 100 in one day, because eBay is, I heard Lindsay Glenn, she has a great YouTube channel, and she said that I like her analogy. eBay is kind of like one of those girlfriends that you have that's kind of clingy, and you have to reach out to her every day, make sure she's doing well. Well, eBay wants to be nurtured and loved every day as well. So when you go in, so if you have 100 items that you want to end the item and sell similar, I would actually recommend that you do maybe 5 or 10 a day. and then keep doing it every day. It's better to spread that out than to just do it all at once, because eBay does like you to have activity in your listings. So I hope that helps. It's definitely helped my business. I know for sure it works, but I want you to see the same results. Could you please leave a comment in the comment section below of this YouTube video, and then just let me know that you're trying this out and let me know your experience on it. I love to hear from you guys. Take a moment, if you don't mind, if you're enjoying this video, to give it a thumbs up. And of course, you can subscribe and hit the bell so you can see future videos that I have coming just for you. This is Michelle with Paladin Global. Oh, and I do have a special report for you. If you would like to know my top 10 most profitable items to resell online as an eBay power seller, I have a link in the description below, and then you fill it out. It's just your name and your email. I won't spam you, I promise. I'm very careful with that type of stuff, but I'll send over that report, and then you can see if these are some items you can be searching for when you're outsourcing for inventory for your business. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.